Ever faced a MSVR120 DL error when launching SADP iVMS 4200? It's a common issue, but don't worry, I'm Alessandro El Sharkawi, and I'm here to guide you through a simple solution. The MSVR120 DL error is a pesky little glitch that occurs when the MSVR120 DL file is missing or corrupted. This file is crucial for running applications like SADP iVMS 4200. Common reasons behind this error include software updates gone awry or malware attacks. So, now that you know what the MSVR120 DL error is, let's move on to the steps to solve it. Getting rid of the MSVR120 DL error is quite straightforward. All you need is a little patience and to follow these steps carefully. Now let's get into it. Our first step is to reinstall the SADP iVMS 4200 software. It's possible that during the initial installation some files were corrupted or not properly installed, which could be causing this error. So let's uninstall the software first. Remember to restart your computer after uninstalling. Once that's done, go ahead and reinstall the software. This might just solve the problem right off the bat. However, if the error still persists, don't worry. Our second step is to update your system's drivers. Drivers are the software that allows your computer to communicate with its hardware. Over time, these drivers can become outdated and cause errors like the MSVR120 DLL error. So let's update them. You can do this manually or use an automatic driver update tool. Either way, make sure all your drivers are up to date. The third step is running a system file checker. This is a built-in Windows tool that scans your system for corrupted files and tries to repair them. Just type CMD into your search bar, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Then, type sfc/scano and hit Enter. The system file checker will then start scanning your system and repairing any corrupted files it finds. The final step, if all else fails, is to restore your system to a previous state. This should be your last resort, as it can lead to data loss. Make sure to back up any important files before proceeding. To do this, search for System Restore in your search bar and follow the prompts. And there you go, the MSVR120 DL error should now be a thing of the past. Remember, patience is key when dealing with these types of errors. Take your time, follow the steps carefully, and you should be just fine. This is Alessandro El Sharkawi, signing off. Until next time, keep those systems running smoothly. Let's recap the steps to solve the MSVR120 DLL error, shall we? First, we've understood the nature of this error and how it can affect your SADP iVMS 4200 launch. Then, we delved into the solution, a systematic approach to rectify the problem. Remember, if you face the MSVR120 DL error, don't panic. Just follow these steps and you'll be back on track in no time. This is Alessandro El Sharkawi signing off. Keep exploring, keep learning.